Hello everyone and welcome to our comprehensive course on Essentials of SmartPLS. And I'm Shahidul Hassan and I'm excited to be your guide throughout this learning journey. So before we dive into the course objectives, let's take a quick look at what we will cover at this training. So we will explore the fundamental questions of why data analysis is essential and gain insights into the basic concepts related to SEM. We will then familiarize ourselves with the two powerful tools like SPSS and SmartPLS for conducting data analysis effectively. Later, we will deep dive into measurement model analysis, structural model analysis, and how to study mediator and moderator effects. Additionally, we will address advanced issues in SmartPLS, and finally, we will learn about reporting results in APA style. To enrich our learning experience, we will also engage in a real exercise from Fiverr projects and understand how to get started with Fiverr gigs along with some other tips and tricks. So now we know that what to expect from this course. Let's take a moment to understand the course objectives. So first and foremost, we aim to introduce you to the basic concepts related to multivariate analysis and structural equation modeling. We will illustrate the basic applications of SEM in research using SmartPLS. A significant part of the data analysis involves preparing and creating data files. We will guide you through the procedure using SPSS and a widely used software package for statistical analysis. And we know that theory is essential, but we believe hands-on experience is equally critical. Therefore, we will provide you with the practical training on applying SEM techniques to real data sets. So why this course is essential for you? So it will help you to gain a competitive edge for pursuing your PhD or master's. And you can easily utilize the required tool for scholarly publication like the SmartPLS software package. And it will increase your chances of publication in the top business journal. And it provides you the simplified explanation of statistical analysis, and it will blend the theory as well as practice, and it will help you to become a global data analyst and freelancer, and it will unlock excellent career opportunities for data analysts and researchers. And finally, it will tap into the global as well as the local markets, which is very growing in nature. And the reference materials that we will use in this particular course are shown on the screen. The latest book that we will follow is the Premier on PLS SEM, written by here and others, and the multivariate data analysis and some other supporting books. You can take the help from this sort of books as well. Some recent research articles we will follow for conducting this particular course. Thank you, all of you.